In this video, we will show you the steps for reviewing documents from another firm. If you receive documents in PDF format, you can convert them to Word documents so you can use Draft on them, providing that no security has been set on the PDF document. If security has been set, you can print them out and then scan them in so you have a PDF version with no security. If there is no security on the PDF document, click on the Import PDF document and then save the Word version. If you receive the document as an MS Word document, you can check case law and legislation citations by clicking on the Analyze button. Lexis Draft will check these against the Lexis Advanced database. This may take a few minutes. When Draft has finished analysing your document, it superimposes case-based signals next to cases and legislation and converts their names into hyperlinks. Only you can see this additional information. For cases where there is only one case-based signal after the party names, and citation indicates that they are both correct. The first citation has a red case-based signal, which means that the case has been overruled, and may indicate where the author may not have been thorough with their research. To view the case-based record, unreported judgment, or nearest parallel citation, click on the party name hyperlink, and the right-hand pane will connect to Lexis Advance and show you the relevant details. Where there are case-based signals after the party names and the citation tells you that the party names or citation may be incorrect, click on the hyperlink to check them. In this example, the party names look correct, but notice that the citation is incorrect and should be 2008 instead of 2007. Lexis Draft also analyzes legislation and tells you its status. A red R symbol means that the legislation has been repealed. A question mark symbol means that its status may be unresolved. Click on the question mark symbol and it takes you to the Act version of the Personal Property Securities Act 2010, which has been repealed. It is not the same as the Commonwealth legislation. In this circumstance, the question mark is just a warning. A yellow triangle warns you there may be bills going through Parliament or that amendments have been made but not consolidated. Click on the hyperlink to view the legislation.